I apologize for the lighting right now. I don't know what to do about it. I'm also trying a couple of new settings on my camera, so if the footage looks a bit odd, my bad. But yeah, I just got out of the shower. I'm honestly having like kind of a rough afternoon. I don't know why, but my anxiety has been coming back really badly, specifically in like kind of like the afternoon time, and I don't know, it's just not been fun. But on a slightly, not even slightly, a much happier note, we have a new addition to the family. Basically, as we know, pom pal addiction, I don't have to explain this every time, and I saw this one the other day on Yaga. I saw this one, and this is one I've never seen before, like locally where I live, so, but I didn't actually have money at the time, so Chris actually bought it for me. If you're watching this, which I hope you are, I love you. But this is a little dinosaur. His name is Buddy, specifically pronounced like that. It's like a random Ethan Nestor clip that I just haven't been able to get out of my head. But yeah, we love Buddy. Okay, good morning guys. So today is Sunday the 21st of June, and since it is Father's Day, we're gonna go to this town that we were in one of my last videos. We're gonna go there, have breakfast, also like a brunch. I don't think we're gonna walk around this time though, just because we were there like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, this is the outfit. Also, look at these flowers. They're these like pink tulips. They were so pretty. Chris was over yesterday and he bought them for me. They make me feel so much better. But anyway, okay, I'm just gonna finish getting ready. I just have to brush my teeth and put on perfume, and then we're gonna leave. So I'm back home. I'm currently in bed because it is absolutely freezing. Okay, but anyway, we're back home. I'm in bed. I put on some PJs. We also stopped at Spa to get some sweet treats. And right now I'm going to watch Resident Evil 7. Yeah, I'm probably gonna like switch between this, maybe some BoJack. Kind of get into the point where BoJack is really depressing, so I kind of want to start over. Also, I don't have work tomorrow, so I can really just chill for the rest of the day. Surprise! Happy birthday!
Say hi to the birthday girl!
Guys, I got such a fat, to be honest. We are currently at the mall and we're gonna walk around and go to Starbucks. No. not that bad compared to some of the other plushies here. It's not that bad. Dude is just taking them all. You can carry them around, and then when you leave, you just put them back. Okay, hey vlog. So currently 5:08. Basically we were at the mall for 5 hours and we were like literally fine for like 4, maybe 4.5.
But the last 30 minutes, the last time we went into Clicks,
it was just like
we were
feeling kind of dizzy. Also shout out to the girl at Factory that gave us 2 free iced teas because my throat is hurting so bad. I need a stressful and I was so thirsty and I was dying and I didn't want to spend money on something to drink. So but Didi is gonna do a haul because I didn't get anything.
So I got this, I don't know if you can see this cute top from Factory. We have, oh, I got a handbag, very cutesy, very spacious. I got a little purse and then I got a new charger because my charger broke. And we got chickens for us. Because she didn't want to let me pay for anything else. I was gonna get more, but I ran out of money.
But I think right now we are going to go, first of all I just want to blow dry my hair and then we're gonna go bake a cake because tomorrow is Didi's mom's birthday and then Didi is sleeping over. She's gonna come with me to work and then we're gonna take the cake and she's gonna spend a day with me at work.